That's looking a little bit uglier, a little bit lower, trying to localize, trying to tighten up, right? Tornado warning continues. You're going to see winds 70 to 85 miles per hour. And it's almost moving due east now. It's almost moving. Yeah, okay. Okay, so that might actually create maybe tornado genesis quicker here. But right here, look at that, folks. There's your tornado. There it is right there. Not on the ground, but if it's going to go to the ground, you're going to see it first right here on News 9. Man,
they got it, David.
Let's go back to Val. Let's go back to Val Caster. Val
Tornado
Caster.
on the ground.
Go to
right
Val
there.
Caster control room. There's a tornado. Go ahead, Val. Take it.